king, the seed of throne. This is the story of a just and wise king and a honest boy. The king has no children. He worried about his successor. To find out a successor, he thought of an idea. That is, the king will distribute some seeds to all children in our country. Child who grows biggest, healthiest plant will become prince or princess. They can take 3 months for it. Where is the minister? I am here, Your Highness. You give a proclamation to the people to find out a successor. Yes, Your Honor. Dear people, His Highness, Lord Vidyadhara has decided to conduct a test for finding out the crown, prince or princess. So who are interested are hereby informed to attend the test. What can I do? My seed did not sprout. Will the king angry with me? Dear seed, 3 months apart, I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. Go to the palace with that empty food, my child. At least you have tried your best. Why did you come empty pot, my child? Your seed did not grow to a plant. Give my level's best to the seed. I gave soil, water, and manure, but the seed. Here is the crown prince. I had given everyone roasted seeds, which would never grow. Only this boy is honest. I am sure one day he will rule this kingdom justly.